How to fix Instagram not selecting more than 10 photos. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can fix Instagram not selecting more than 10 photos problem. Now on Instagram posts, you can add up to 20 photos, but if you're not able to select more than 10 photos, then the first thing you want to do is launch open the Play Store or App Store on your device, then search for Instagram. Here, if you find the update button, tap on that and update the application to the latest version. After the application has been updated, you will get all the latest feature in Instagram, including the one where you can add 20 photos to your Instagram post. If that doesn't work, you want to open up your settings, then scroll down and tap on the apps option. Now from this list of applications, go ahead and tap on Instagram. Now tap on the storage option. Here tap on clear cache. If your problem is still not fixed, you can simply uninstall the Instagram application and then reinstall it again. Now, as you can see, you are able to select more than 10 pictures, but the limit is 20 photos or videos, so you can post up to 20 photos on your Instagram now. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.